Let's be real, anyone can post book content, but the creators who consistently make money on FeetFinder aren't just posting pics, they're building a loyal community. And what a loyal community means is people come back, they buy more often, they tip more, and they start feeling like your page is their spot. So in this video, I'm breaking it down in a simple strategy to turn your random buyers into regulars without acting thirsty, without lowering your prices, and without giving away free stuff like you're a bargain bin. Think is your FeetFinder page like a private club, not a store, not like a vending machine, a club. When people feel like they belong somewhere, they don't just visit, they stay. And there's a simple flywheel to make that happen. 3 steps. Identity. Give your fans a place to belong. Interaction. Turn content into conversation. VIP rewards. Surprise loyal patrons so they feel chosen. Let's break down each one. Tip 1, identity. Give your fans a place to belong. Right now, if someone buys from you once, they're just a customer. They might like your content, but they don't feel connected to anything. Your job is to make your page feel like a world people recognize. Here's how. Step A, pick a clear vibe. Your vibe is basically the genre of your page. And the more clear it is, the easier it is for people to attach to it. Here are some examples. Cozy, soft girlfriend energy, luxury pedicure, polished spa vibes, after gym, sneakers off, sweaty tease vibe, spicy late night, shadowy after dark energy, playful, cute, colorful, bubbly sets. You don't need 10 vibes. Pick one core lane and stay consistent. Step B, name your people. This sounds tiny, but it's huge psychological. When you name a group, they become a group. Here are some examples. Pedicure Club, After Dark Fam, Silky Sock Society. I like that one. Barefoot Besties. Even if you only say it once in a while, it makes buyers feel like they're joining something. Step C, set a brand promise, like a tiny house rule. Something like playful, personal, consistent drops, luxury sets only, clean, polished, high detail, late night spiciness with respect always. Why identity matters? Because people don't come back for random content. They come back for a world that feels familiar. That's community step 1. Tip 2, interaction. Turn everyday drop into conversation. Okay, so now that your page has a vibe, your next job is to stop posting like a billboard and post like a host. Community is not built by content alone. It's built by two-way energy. Here are some practical ways to do that. Number 1, weekly votes, pools every week. Give your buyers a say. Pick the next set, barefoot or socks. Tonight's color theme, red, black, or white. Which vibe next? Cozy bed set or shower steam set? It makes people feel like they're part of that creative process. 2, choose the next drop prompts. This is even easier than pools. Say something like, I'm shooting tonight, pick the setting, bedroom, bath, or balcony. Boom, now they're leaning in. 3, DM like a human, not a store. When someone messages you, don't reply like a customer support. Try a host tone. Ooh, that's a fire idea. Want a teaser first? You've got good taste. I could do that vibe. Bet. I'll shoot something in that style this week. Small warmth turns a buyer into a regular. Why interaction matters. Every time someone replies, votes, or suggests something, they make a micro commitment to you. Micro commitment habits. Loyalty. Tip 3, VIP surprise gifts for loyal patrons. Now here's the premium part. You were right earlier. Public freebies can make you look cheap. So don't do monthly freebies. Don't announce free sets. That trains entitlement. Instead do surprise gifts for loyal patrons, meaning quiet, unannounced bonuses for the people who prove they're regulars. Here are gifts that feel classy, not desperate. 1 bonus photo angle. P.S. Added a bonus angle just for you. Early access. Dropping tomorrow, but you get it first. Tiny BTS teas. Here's a little behind the scenes, VIP only. Priority on request. You're up first next request week. Personal note or an audio. Thought of you when I made this set. And notice these don't even cost you much, but they do feel exclusive. Who gets them? People that do this. Bought 2 to 3 times recently, tip, message respectfully, request ideas. Show they're invested. Why VIP surprise gifts matter? Because you're not giving away value, you're rewarding loyalty. People don't stay for discounts. They stay for status and connection.